have Samsung Galaxy J7 and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the list of all applications, find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down in order to find About Phone. Then let's choose the software information and here you can find the build number. So let's tap a couple of times on build number and as you can see, you are now a developer. You can go back to previous list, to the list of settings and choose general management. Let's go back, and here under About Phone from the list of settings you've got developer options. Let's tap it and now you can use all the developer features from the following list. For example, you can enable OEM unlocking, so you can allow the device to be OEM unlocked. Let me tap enable. You may also choose the USB debugging and enable USB debugging feature. Let's read the instruction and warning and tap OK to allow USB debugging. So that's it, you can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.